to Lake Placid on Lily's first hunt. So, what do you think?
I'm kind of...
Huh? Excited?
Yes.
Well, we're going to go over there and mess with some hogs. And my trap was broke, had a hog in it. PVC pipe broke. So we're going to repair that. And then fix another trap. It's a commercially bought trap. So we're going to figure out how to do the trigger on it. And go over there and see if we can get a hog. And hunt tonight. So we'll see. Alright, it's July 25th. Go in there and look at this trap. Wow. This trap is destroyed. Must have had a freaking beast of a hog in here. Look how much that is pushed out. That is crazy. Right here's where he got out. Right through here. Man. Gee. Freaking hog. Destroyed that trap in the back. Dang. So twisted up. Okay. It is like extremely hot out here. No wind. We just set the commercial trap. I'll show you a video of that one. Now we're over here. We got some bull panel to repair this disaster of a trap. What do you think, Lily? Is it hot out here?
I'm dying to see. Bleeding.
Oh yeah, she got wounded. Barbed wire stuck her in the arm when she threw a branch over. But anyway, this is the plan. I got more stakes. And this bull panel, I already bent that in. So that end to here will go from here to this corner. Then I'm going to make another bend in it about what, 3 feet 33 inches this way, and bend it back this way, and fasten it to the inner panel. This hog must have been massive. You can tell where he jumped up here. He might have got out this way too, because there's mud all over the top here. So I'm going to have to put a top on it the best I can to keep it from jumping out. But he just like trashed this pen. So we'll try to get it fixed. I bent this back in as best I could. I'll straighten it out some more later. But that's what we got. We got pieces of bull panel to hopefully repair it. Okay, I've got this one solid piece in here. From here, bend it there, bend it there. It fits all the way down. So I'm going to tie that in. I'll put the door back in. We'll see how it fits. What do you think, Lily? Lily's working hard over there. Alright, it's 6:30. We're getting ready to go hog hunting. And guess what? It's raining a little bit. It went from like heat index 105 to this. What do you think, Lily?
Horrible.
Yeah. Well, this will make the hogs go walking around. We'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky. There's not a whole lot of hogs out there, but we'll find out. Yeah. Yeah, perfect hog hunting weather right there. Sun's out. Can't even really see the ground. We're going to hang out in the truck. Never do know. A hog could cross right in front of us while we're sitting here, but deer walked after this rain before. I just asked Lily what flavor. What are those things? Takis?
Apparently Papa doesn't like it.
Oh, these things are nasty. It says blue heat on it. What are you laughing about? You set me up. Huh?
They taste good.
Yeah, when your mouth goes numb. Huh?
The red ones are the ones that are really hot. You have to drink milk with those sometimes.
I've only ate half of one. I'm like, ugh. Man. I guess they would taste good when your mouth goes numb.
You should take little bites.
And these aren't even the hot ones. It says blue heat. Is that worse than red?
No, red is worse. It burns your mouth.
Wow. I think I got set up. That's a little better. 2 hens out there. They're eating as fast as they can eat before they fly up on the roost. It's about time for them to roost. It's about 7:45. We're sitting in our truck waiting for the rain to stop. These 2 turkeys walked up. Yeah, they're working that way down. They're gonna fly up in them pines on the left, probably. Where these turkeys at? There's one in there. And then there's one right there. And then there's one. Oh, where'd that one go? That one just flew up a little bit further. 4 turkeys.
One is super
turn that
tall.
off.
Those 2 are super tall.
Where? Which one's in the back?
The 2 ones in the front, the very 2.
Yeah.
And then
Probably
the rest of
mature
them are
hens.
smaller. Well, that one's kind of tall. It sticks its head up a lot. Maybe it's super tall. Where are they going?
You want them going over there roosting.
What does roosting mean? Does that
They
mean
fly
they're
up the
flying?
tree and sit in the tree until tomorrow morning.
Okay.
That's the way, so like bears and bobcats and stuff, raccoons can't mess with them. Or can't mess with them that easy. That's just what turkeys do. Pretty cool. Sitting in a truck watching 16 turkeys walk by or fly in on us. Okay. I've reinforced this. Put a top on it. This is double bolt panel there. And a double around here. All the way around. Single top on the top. Couple more posts. This is double panel. All the way around. See what happens this time. See if he gets out. Think, Lily. Good. See what happens. We came in here this morning and saw how many deer? 7 deer plus one more. And there's turkeys flying all over the place. Squawking.